Luxury cars have a reputation for one thing above all else: expensive problems. Most people believe that the moment the warranty ends, the car turns into a financial nightmare. But here's the truth. Most dealerships won't admit, not all luxury cars are unreliable. In fact, some of them are built so well that they can last decades after the warranty expires. Today, I'm revealing 15 luxury cars that are known for doing the impossible, lasting forever. These are vehicles trusted by mechanics, praised by long-term owners, and proven on real roads, not marketing brochures. Volvo deserves respect as well. Cars like the Volvo S80 and older XC90 models were designed with longevity and safety in mind. Many Volvo engines are known to run strong far beyond what most luxury buyers expect. Then there's Infiniti. Models like the Infiniti G35 and Q45 are known for bulletproof engines and solid transmissions. Nissan's engineering influence shows clearly here. Even Cadillac makes the list, specifically older models with simpler V8 engines. These cars were built for American roads and long distances, not fragile complexity. So what's the secret behind these long-lasting luxury cars? Simplicity, over-engineering, and owners who respect maintenance schedules. Luxury doesn't fail because it's luxury. It fails when complexity replaces durability. Here's the most important lesson. Buying the right luxury car is less about brand and more about generation, engine choice, and maintenance history. People who understand this enjoy premium comfort without premium headaches. If you're thinking about buying a luxury car and fear the warranty ending, remember this list. Some luxury cars aren't ticking time bombs, they're long-term investments. If this video saved you from making an expensive mistake, imagine what the next one could do. This channel exists to expose myths, reveal truths, and help you make smarter decisions as a car owner. Subscribe now, because the difference between a dream car and a financial disaster is knowledge. And comment below. Which luxury car do you think lasts the longest?